Magandang hapon po ng September 6, 2025 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 6, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numerong lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, September 6, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 6, 2025, Saturday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, September 6, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for September 6, 2025, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.